my dear CEOs and fellow hamsters, today's video is gonna hit you right where it counts. Your wallet. Think you've got your finances all figured out? Well, I wouldn't be so sure if I were you. Whether you're swiping your credit card daily or stuck in routines that wreck your potential wealth, I'm here to shake things up and drop some hamster-sized wisdom on all of you. Today, I found out humans love these things called credit cards. And I totally get it. I love running on my hamster wheel just as much as you love running in circles paying interest on those cards. But here's the tea. If you want to roll in the riches, there's one important thing you have to do with your credit card. Let's check it out in this video.
If you use your credit cards, you do not want to be rich.
Well, anytime you say something about debt, people send it to me. Look,
Right,
look what Cubans say.
Tweets, yeah.
Look at what Cubans say.
And vice versa.
Yeah, so cut up your credit cards. If you use a credit card, you don't want to be rich.
Yep,
I like that line. That's a good line.
That's my favorite line. I tell it to people all the time. People then they ask me, well, where's the best place to invest? I said, your best place to invest is to pay off all your credit cards and burn them. Because your credit card, you know what your return is, right? If you get up, you're paying 15, 20% interest in one way or the other. And if you pay that down, you just earn 15 or 20%.
Folks, I've told you 100 times, and Forbes 400 wealthiest people in North America, when surveyed, asked what's the way to build wealth? What's the number one way to build wealth? 75% of wealthy people, not your broke brother-in-law with an opinion, but wealthy people say, get out of debt and stay out of debt.
Yep.
Because it gives you power over your largest wealth-building tool, which is your income.
Cut up your credit card? Not happening, mister. I mean, I get it. Debt is bad. But you're telling me the secret to riches is to burn the one thing that helps me buy shiny new snacks. Well, I guess if all the big seeds in the Forbes 400 are saying it, maybe I'll just gnaw on it a little and think about it. But if you take away my card, don't touch my snacks, okay? Let me tell you something, hamsters. Habits are a lot like tunnel toys. Some get you where you want to go, and others leave you stuck in a corner chewing your bedding for days because your owner can't find you anywhere. Anyway, let's see why some of your daily routines might be holding you back from the big bucks. Spoiler alert, some of you won't love it.
What would you say are those 3 habits that keep people stuck financially or feeling broke?
I would say not identifying habits that don't serve them, right? If I look back at people in my life, my family, others, they didn't realize that they had habits that actually pulled them away. The habit could be waking up in the morning, and I look at everything as a habit. It could be waking up in the morning and watching your news, no matter where you get your news from, right? Never in my life have I ever watched the news and felt empowered, right? So you could have a habit of waking up and watching the news that puts you in a reactive space, in a defensive space, and you're never innovating, you're never creating.
Yes.
Right? So I would look for habits. Like in the morning, you could wake up and just say 2 or 3 sentences of gratitude. You could get out of bed, drink a green drink, and take a walk. Or you could get up, click on the news, grab your phone, look at your emails and texts, find the bad one that puts you in a bad mood, and go eat, have coffee and a donut. Now, I'm not knocking anyone, but they're both habits.
Yes.
Changing habits is like trying to teach a hamster to stop spinning the wheel at 3 a.m. Good luck with that. I mean, I see the point. Wake up, say some nice words, sip something healthy, feel like $1 million, or roll out of bed, get a huge breakfast, and let the chaos begin. I live for a bit of drama, but I'll try your fancy gratitude routine, man, right after I finish watching the news. Thanks for watching, Crypto Enthusiast. For more wisdom, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. And remember, hamsters are power, one for all and all for one. Bye.